Today we're going to learn the sounds of ng and about the ing suffix. English has a problem. It has more sounds than letters, so sometimes two letters together are needed to represent one sound. That's the case with the sound of ng, which is spelled with an N and a G. So this is ng. So here we have ing, sing, ring, ring, bring, long, fang, ing, king, lung, bang, hung, ang, gang, ing, ping, pong, ping pong, rang, sung, wing, song. This is the suffix ing. A suffix means we add it to the end of a word. Ing, act, act. Act, ing, acting. Add, ing, adding. Ask, ing, asking. Ox, box, ing, boxing. End, ing, ending. Fix, ing, fixing. Tax, ing, taxing. Wax, ing, waxing. End, ing, ending. Bet, ing, betting. Now you might notice that here we have two T's. There is a rule about when we want to double the consonant. If our root word ends in a single consonant, right here we have the letter T, and the single consonant is not an X, and it's after a short vowel, so here we have a short E, then before we add a suffix that starts with a vowel, we double the consonant. If we didn't have two T's here, this word would be beating. So right here we have bid. We want to have bid plus ing. We have a single consonant after a short vowel, and the consonant is not an X, so we double it. Bidding. Bond, ing, bonding. Bud, ing, budding. This is a single consonant that's not an X after a short U, so we double the D. Bug, ing, bugging. Note the double G again. Bid, ing, bidding. Again, we double the D. Sing, ing, singing. Ring, ing, ringing. Tong, and ing, handing. Ing, planning. Running, running. Ing, winning. Ing, cutting. Ing, filling. Ing, hanging. Here are some nonsense words. Nonsense words are fake words. These are not real. The purpose of nonsense words is to make sure that you really know how to read the sounds and that you aren't guessing because you think you recognize a word you know. Ang, nang. Ang, lang. Ung, wung. Ang, zang. Ang, zang. Ling. Ang, hang. Ang, peng. Ing, ying. Ung, jung. Ang, kang. Eng, feng. Let's try some nonsense words where we've added our ing suffix. Lat-ing, latting. Ag-ing, pagging, hab-ing, habbing, w-ug-ing, wugging, y-an-ing, yanning, lupping, lupping, zilling, zilling, d-up-ing, dupping, k-an-ing, canning, f-ig-ing, figging, p-ossing, possing, r-op-ing, ropping. If you found this useful, please be sure to subscribe and then share it with others on X, Facebook, and WhatsApp.